Hello and welcome to R12 Design's first video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to do an effect like this. It's like a materializing.
Whoa!
Well, yeah, I made with my sound editor. One man Bob.
Oh, and this guy here is one man Kurt.
No, I'm just Kurt on this channel.
Okay, this is
Not
Kurt.
R12 Design.
Okay, so
Should've
I
been
am now
seen it,
Bob
shouldn't I?
on this channel. Hi, I'm Bob. Thank you.
So here's the Cinema 4D file I made. This is very basic stuff.
Yeah. To me it doesn't look very basic to me, to be honest.
Yeah, but I don't know how to use any sound editing.
I'm
Right, so we're going to be doing this. And so first we'll add a floor. So should I not do that? It's hold click on this tab here, down to floor. And then I'm going to just open it in the right window because I've got a different version. Oh no, it is. And then I'll load materials, colours. These are the ones I've made. These coloured materials. I might put these up for download, but I'll have to put a light pack with them because the lights it don't look right without lights. So then I'll add a sky. I made the sky black. Just a quick window. Yep. Then we'll add a sphere.
So I'm guessing that little green arrow, is that like sort of the horizon?
Yeah. No,
yeah,
the
so
green arrow is the green arrow is, I think it's Y coordinate. Yeah, Y.
Yeah, and the dotted line on the top's the horizon.
Yeah.
Ah.
So add a sphere and don't move it at all. Do not touch it. And then hold on this one here, the one which has got like the bendy thing, and then go over to explosion. Not explosion FX. We'll be going to that into another video. Just explosion. Then you want to drag the explosion to make it a child of the sphere. So just click and drag it onto it so the arrow is pointed down. So it'll be underneath. So now you can click on the sphere and move it, and the explosion will move, and it'll be slap bang in the middle, which is quite good. So right, we'll come down here and add it up to. We'll go a bit further. We'll go for 120 frames this time, and then just like add it all. So we've got 120 frames, and then over here you want to control or command click this if you're on a Mac, and then control on 0, and then if 120, the middle's going to be 60 in it. So go up to frame 60, type, let's just have a look, about 50, and then control or command click on this again, and then go to frame 120, and then type in 0, and then there. So you might think this looks a bit naff for now,
But
so if you go over to sphere, and then you've got this, you want to change the segments to about 100. Yeah, 100. And then what that'll do, that'll split up into more. And if you can see, it's splitting up into squares. So if you change the type to what is it now? Yeah, ice. This one here, the 1 second from the bottom.
wait a minute.
Isosahedron.
Isosahedron.
Isosahedron, that one.
Thank you.
And then it turns into triangles.
So triangles. Clever.
And tetrahedron is triangles. So I'm going to keep it on isosahedron because that just looks epic. You can see the circles, the sphere's gone. Oh, triangular. So when you play that now, you'll do that. But you can see it doesn't explode like it would explode. You want to change go on the explosion and change randomness. Go to frame 0 first. Change the randomness to about 5%, and then play it. 1 second, I'll be back right after this. Sorry about that, I'm back now, just had to do something. So yeah, so we've got this. I've not changed anything on it at all, I've just skipped back to frame 0. So now it looks like that, and then it closes back in.
Quite good, but it's just missing something. ...
Cameras. But the first thing, you want to click on the floor, make it a collider, I think, And then if this doesn't work, I know what it's, yeah. And I think you've got to make the sphere a ghost collider. So there's lags. I'm trying to get it so it bounces off the floor and doesn't ruin. I don't know if that's possible, if it's going to retract back in, so we'll just leave that for now. Oh, damn!
Very.
Damn! There we go, right, I'm going to get rid of the ghost collider and this. So, I might cut that out, probably not. It's not worth the effort, just don't do it. So you've got that, right. The thing we're missing now is cameras. So you want to go to about here. And then hold, click on this, and click camera. And then scroll out. And you got your camera. Pull it towards, and make sure the blue line, the thing that's comes to the blue one, goes straight through the middle. So you've got your camera. So now, we'll click on the camera object, and go to frame 0, and keyframe it, which is this little key down here. So you click that, and then you've keyframed it. Then we'll take it to about, it's frame 60 we stopped it as, wasn't it? So about frame 40, we'll say it's gone all the way in, so you drag it in and rotate it 105 degrees, and then keyframe it again and take it to about,
I get this.
takes about 100
That's wrong.
and then drag it back out. You can do it a different way if you want, and then keyframe it again, and then just leave it, and then keyframe again right at the end, so it doesn't move from there to there. So now if you click on this little, skip it to frame 0, play it through if you want, you'll see the camera go in, turn around and pull back out.
That's pretty good.
There's camera effects. Then up near your camera object there's a little black box with the 2 tick sign on these. Click on that, it'll take you into camera view. Just click it here and you'll play it. It'll take you into view of the camera. So you've got that. But if I've played it like frame, play it at this frame, and give it a purple effect, and this will look naff on mine because we've got no lighting in it, but that's what it looks like. I'm probably going to put this pack up for download, so the colours pack, and I've got a light as well, so I'll just go get the light 1 minute. So I've added my ring light in, as you may see here, basically it's just a light which quite a bit of editing on, and then a cloner object into a circle. So yeah, here's what the circles look like rendered with the pack. And here's what the video looks like. I'll pause it there.
And you can see the lights on it, but
you could make the texture invisible if you wanted, but it's up to you. The world of possibilities out there. So yeah, that's your first tutorial in Cinema 4D. Keep an eye out for the pack download. I might involve it in just another video. I'm in camera view here as well now. Boom. So I've got this. So yeah, thanks for watching.